Okay friends, real quick before we get started on this job, hands and eyes, we're going to be dealing with chemicals. With that said, we want to make sure we drain the coolant and then we're going to flush the system to make sure we can start off with brand new coolant by the time we're done. Let's go ahead and remove our radiator cap. Set that aside. Noticing that you have a plastic radiator and a plastic petcock, you might also find that the petcock just doesn't want to come out of there. If that's the case, obviously you don't want to continue because you could damage the radiator. So we're going to move right along over to here, which is the lower hose to the thermostat housing. Remove the clamp, just be prepared because coolant will come down. I like to put a nice funnel or a box carved out like this so it'll direct it into a nice bucket. At this point, we're going to slowly take this off of here and try to direct this into our recycling receptacle. Now that the coolant's nice and drained, let's go ahead and replace our upper radiator hose. Just going to grab onto this clamp and relieve it. Get it off the side there. Do the same to the other one. Let's go ahead and grab onto that hose. Give it a twist to try to break it free. Take it right off of here. Do the same to the upper aspect. There it is, friends. All right, now it's going to be time to install our brand new upper radiator hose. Something that I like to mention is it's a great idea to make sure that you replace your clamps. Go ahead and start on the lower aspect here. There we are. Do the same to the top. Push it all the way until it can't go any further. Now we're going to go ahead and grab our clamp. And when we put this on, we don't want to put it at the end of the hose. We want to kind of give it like 1/8 of an inch to even 1/4 an inch. But make sure that you're still on the actual radiator. Okay, that's bottomed out. Let's do the same thing for this. Make sure it's completely bottomed out. Set it where we need it. Snug it up. Continue on with a ratchet here. Just turn until it's bottomed out. Okay, just a teeny bit more, but definitely don't make sure that you strip it out. If you do, you have to replace the clamp. Same thing here, bottomed out, teeny bit more. This feels good. Give them both a nice shake. Let's move along. So now we're going to slip the hose onto the thermostat housing here until it's completely bottomed out against the housing. Once we get the clamp on there, we want to make sure it's approximately 1/8 of an inch away from the end of the hose, and of course we'll snug it up. It's going to be time to fill the cooling system. You want a nice funnel like this, and you want to make sure you use the proper coolant. You want to use coolant that's either orange or of course the universal coolant, but definitely not green. I'm going to go with universal here. I'm going to fill it right up. Now after you've run your vehicle for a while and you burped out all the air in it, you want to make sure you go ahead and put your radiator cap back on here. Push this right down, turn it so it's nice and tight, and now we're going to fill the overflow. Okay, close the hood, take it for a road test.